Hello, welcome back with another video. Today, in this video, I will show you about the OCI Infra Vision data labeling, as data labeling is deprecated by the OCI, and we will learn how we will create our data label data set, and then upload it into our model. For demonstration, I created a project cars, and here I will create a model. The model is a image classification type, and if you can see that the appreciation of Oracle cloud infrastructure data labeling. If I click create a new data set, so it will show me a message that the feature is not available in region. For demonstration, we will take some cars types, that is hashback. Here you can see the image, and these image we will train in our model. I have a different type of cars, sedan. If I open it into my browser, so you can see here the cars, the sports car, and SUV. So these are the different types of car I taken for this demonstration. If you have this type of issue, that is uploading the data label, so this video is right for you. So let's get started with this video. First of all, we will need a label studio, which is officially recommended by the Oracle for this data labeling purpose. So this is very easy. This video is not about how to install it on Windows. It is very easy on Windows. I will fetch on my local host, and I will create my project name. After creating the project name, I will import some data, which is my cars data. I will take one by one of each type. In labeling setup, this is most important. We will choose the image classification as our model, because we will train our image classification model. We need to delete these built-in entries, as we don't need that. And here we will add our custom entries, which we need to train our model. So I will take it one by one, because images don't get mixed. Let's label the data. You will just need to tick your option and submit it. I will do it for every option. Make sure the no car or no image be missed, because it's very important. Otherwise, our model will show on an error. Next, we will take the second type of car, our sedan, and we will take our images of this type car. Choose the image. Let's open it and import. And for a labeling setup, we will go to our setting option. Here we will choose our label interface, and I will choose the second option, which is sedan. Click add, save. Must save the changes. And now I will label all the sedan images. Again, we just need to tick our option and submit it. Next type of car is sports car. We will take that images and follow the same procedure of labeling setup. Let's import the file first. In our label interface, we will add our sports car option. Last type of car is SUV. We will take all the images. We set up our label interface. Let's save the changes and click label all tasks. After label, we need to check. This must be checked that if anything is not labeled yet, and then export the file into simple JSON format. I have copied this file into my required folder. I will rename it with the car exported .json. Next, we need to convert this file into JSON L, that is line format, which is very necessary. I will give you the command in the description of this video, as there are some privacy parameters used on this command. So you will choose your OCI ID, bucket name, and so on, and that purpose we will use a Python script, and that Python script will convert our JSON file into JSON L line format. After setting it up, we will just run the command, and here our JSON L format is ready. I will log in into my OCI infra, and now the first we will import our images and that file IC7 file into my folder. I've chosen the car POC as a test. We will go to our vision setup, our project, cars project, and here we will create our model, which is the image classification. I will choose it from object storage, and you can see that IC7.json file is loaded. I will choose a name for my model, IC7 image classification 7, and let's create and train the model. So after creating, it will show some information, and you can see the model has accepted in the accepted state, and it's creating. Let's skip the video, and after the training, you can see that IC7 was not successful because of low dataset. There was less images for some categories, for some car types. I will show you for the purpose of verification. You can see that model is okay, but the error message is just about the low number of car types. So for that, I again label some more images, and I upload that, and I create a model IC8, and that IC8 is successfully trained with my 52 images. It take 20 minutes in total duration, and now here you can test your model, and the training metrics are also shown. So this is how we create our model, create our project, and then model, and then train it, as the built-in data labeling is no more available on OCI infrastructure, and we can, which is Oracle recommended, the label studio. You can see our model is 100% trained. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.